Another West Nile virus victim in West Michigan is near death. Health officials tell us the man is in his 60s and is from Grand Rapids. He's in critical condition and unresponsive. Now that brings the total number of victims in Kent County to 5. We told you about the 80-year-old man from Grand Rapids Southwest side who died. 2 others are very sick with the disease with symptoms that include paralysis. One person has milder West Nile fever. Across West Michigan, there's been 1 case in Allegan and 1 in Berrien County. There's also been a death over in Wayne County. The man who died spoke Spanish. His death is raising new questions now about how to get health warnings to those who speak little to no English. 24-Hour News 8's Ken Kolker spent the day in some of the city's Hispanic neighborhoods, and he has our story all new tonight.
The family of the 80-year-old victim says it had never heard the warnings about West Nile from local health officials. In fact, they had never heard of the virus until he was diagnosed early this month.
We never heard. This is something new to us.
Miguel Hernandez, a native of Mexico who lived on Granville Avenue Southwest, died Saturday after 19 days in the hospital with West Nile.
We couldn't believe it. We just didn't believe it, like a small mosquito can do all that stuff to him.
Hernandez was among 5 Kent County residents diagnosed with West Nile so far this year, a year expected to be especially bad for the virus. Health officials today said that the other 4 are still being treated, 3 of them with more serious symptoms, including some paralysis. One of the 4 remaining victims, a 64-year-old man from Grand Rapids, is near death. Health officials described him as non-responsive.
I think there has to be a lot more activism on the part of the health department for Kent County to make sure that people know what West Nile virus is, and to make sure they're getting the word out.
While El Vocero, the local Spanish newspaper, has reported on West Nile, not all Spanish media have, including Jose Flores' magazine, La Voz.
We have not received alerts that this is a crisis situation.
It's an eye-opener.
The Hispanic Center of Western Michigan says it wants to work with the health department to spread the word.
Just as it's not available in Spanish, I mean, we could take it further. Is it available in Vietnamese? Is it available in Chinese? I think it's all communities need to be aware of something like this.
Health officials say there are at least 40 different languages spoken in Kent County. Hispanics make up 10% of the county's population, though it's not known how many speak little or no English. The health department, which sends alerts in English-only press releases and social media, says it will take a closer look at getting out the message to everybody.
When we hear these types of things, it definitely shows areas that we can improve upon how we get communication to individuals in our community.
This, according to Hernandez's nephew, should be that message.
Que usen protector para los mosquitos para que no se contagien o vayan a encontrar alguna enfermedad, especialmente esta, porque es triste.
That was Ken Kolker reporting. Certainly some concerns there. Hernandez's family is raising money to send his body back to Mexico, where he's from originally. They have put donation boxes in some shops in Hispanic neighborhoods.